So here we are guys, episode 2 of the Renegade Industrial Bike with Smoke Garage. Let's crack into it. So this is the last stage of the teardown. We're going to completely disassemble the handlebars. Is this a stitcher?
Oh, it's glued. All the bridges used to be glued.
Ah,
Yeah.
lucky these have got a lifetime warranty.
Yeah.
I'm going to get a socket to finish these off.
Yeah.
Now just so you know, this is actually how these toolboxes come too. All laid out for you.
There you go, Brad. That's 4.5 hours later, as you've witnessed.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, I just gave it the last finishing touch. I hit it with the Orbi, so it gives it that matte finish, so I can actually see highs and lows. But basically, that's the end result.
All right, guys, we've got Andrew, the fabricator here. He's going to walk us through the next stage. Now we've got the guard rolled out a bit. All right, what are we doing? How do we fit this bad boy?
So first we're going to make a little bracket. It just kind of attaches to the 2 bolts for on the front of the fork.
Yep.
So we'll just make that out of a bit of 3mm strap, form a nice rolled edge, and then drill some holes, and then take it up, see what it looks like.
So what do we end up riveting the guard to that?
We'll bolt it, yeah.
Yeah, righto. Yeah. Sweet. All right, cool. Let's do that.
Cool. So first thing to do is basically find the center of the guard, so we're not cockeyed. Just roughly do that. So we'll get a rough shape of what the guard wants to look like, or the bracket.
Yeah, righto.
And then we'll go from there.
So guys, a good time to note, this is a 200 amp, 35% duty cycle welder. It's got a 1 in 50 amp plug. It's an inverter welder obviously, so plug it in and go. So these helmets, by the way, 180 degree panoramic, top of the range helmets, fully customizable. You've got to treat yourself to these guys.
Watch your eyes.
Yep, good. You can see everything that's going on.
Done.
That's it for episode 2, guys. That was great. Make sure you go and have a look at all our Trade Tools social platforms and treat yourselves, guys. Alright guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe and leave any questions in the comment section below.